Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And for today's video, as you can see in the title, I will share to you guys this loan application which is specially made for immigrants and underserved living in the US. At first, honestly, when I saw this application, I was shocked because I didn't know that there is such an application like this which aimed to help thousands of immigrants and underserved even they do not have social security number or good credit score. And this application is still a financial services for immigrants and underserved. So if you want to know more about how Stilt works, the process, and who's eligible for this personal loan, please bear with me until the end of this video. Let us now go to Google and search for Stilt.com. So Stilt is a bank in the USA for immigrants, students, travelers, employees, or anyone with a US visa is eligible to open a Stilt account. You will get a free forever account, debit card, and get cashbacks for online purchases. ATM can be used in more than 25,000 plus places, and accounts can be used to the remittance in multiple currencies. Anyone who opens a free bank account gets $25 initially, and if they refer friends, they will get also $25 for each successful referral. So Stilt provides loans up to $30,000 without collateral property or co-signer, and uses AI technology to accept loan without SSN or social security number and credit score. So it only takes 2 minutes to apply and wait for 24 hours to get a loan. So Stilt offers personal loans in only 16 states: Arizona, California, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Massachusetts, Michigan, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Texas, Utah, Washington, Wisconsin, and Virginia. So if you want to get started, you just need to take or select your visa type. And next, a better way to build and access credit. So no SSN, no problem. If you're new to the US and don't have an SSN yet, there's no need to worry, you are still eligible to apply. So it still says here, it offers loans to immigrants, visa holders, and underserved people who lived in the US. Even if you don't have any credit history or a social security number, you might still be considered for a Stilt personal loan, depending on other financial factors. So Stilt loans amounts range from $1,000 to $35,000, with maximum loan terms up to 36 months. So there are no prepayment penalties. So you can pay off your loan early without an additional fee and save on interest. So no co-signer required. So to make decisions based only on your merit and do not need a US visa citizen or a permanent resident co-signer. So since you can't apply for a Stilt loan with a co-signer, you'll need to demonstrate to Stilt that you're qualified on your own. So this may be an issue if you're unemployed or have a history of collections or bankruptcies. And next, low interest rates. So we'll look at your education, work experience, income, and financial behavior to give you lower rates. So they offers competitive starting interest rates but doesn't disclose its maximum rates and fees. So Stilt offers decent starting interest rates but says qualifying for its best rates depends on its evaluation of your employment, education, and visa status, as well as other financial factors and any collection accounts you might have. No prepayment fees. Feel free to pay as early as you want, so we don't charge any prepayment fees. You save interest with prepayment. So get a loan from Stilt, a loan designed for immigrants, visa holders, and the underserved. The application process is simple and you get a decision in 24 hours. And you will get the money after 2 to 3 banking days. So checking your rate doesn't impact your credit score. So just like what I've said earlier, no co-signer required and the rates starting at 7.99%. Zero fees, no overdraft fees, no NSFs, no annual fee ever. So in short, no hidden fees. So you can get credit up to $5,000 with limited credit history. So what they look for? They believe that you are more than your credit score. We look at all indications of financial responsibility. So here are their criteria: current employment or employability, education, financial behavior, defaults, collections, or bankruptcies, and credit check. So since Stilt reports payment history to most major credit bureau, it may help you build a positive credit history in the US as long as you make payments on time and for the full amount due. So loan limit for international students. If you're studying in the US from abroad, Stilt limits student loan amounts at $5,000. It says common uses for the loan are expenses such as tuition, buying school supplies, and living expenses. So now how to apply with Stilt. To apply for a Stilt loan, you'll need to fill out a short online application. To be eligible, Stilt says you must live in the US and have the following: a US bank account in your name, a US-based personal phone number, a US address in a state where Stilt is licensed to operate, an eligible visa that's legal and valid for at least 6 months. You'll also have to provide a number of documents including your passport, visa type, resume, and the references. Note that Stilt will perform a hard credit inquiry only if you sign an offer letter. So after you apply, Stilt will contact you with an update within 24 hours. You might get an approval decision or a request for more information. Again, if approved, the money will typically be deposited in your bank account in 2 to 3 days. And another thing on how Stilt works, first is you need to submit an application and they will send you an update within 24 hours. And next, receive an offer. So it will take 2 to 3 business days for it to reflect in your account. And next, start making payments. So you can also pay off the loan at any time without a prepayment penalty. And that's all. How about for approval and funding time? So if you apply for a Stilt loan, the lender says it will give you an update on your application status within 24 hours or 1 banking day. So if approved, funding typically takes 2 to 3 days to hit your bank account. So this may be a drawback if you need the cash quickly and can't wait for a few days for money. So to end this video, so Stilt may qualify if you hold certain US visas, and application may take 24 hours only or more to process if they need any information from you, doesn't accept co-signers, considers more than your credit scores, competitive starting interest rates, and no transparent about full range of interest rates. So if you have any question about Stilt, you may leave it in the comment section. So if you want to know about Stilt Bank and referral bonus, you can subscribe to their channel and visit the link given in the description box below. Thank you for watching.